Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of rotate on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve rotate on Gmail app, you will click on settings. In this page, you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. On above, you can search about Gmail and you will enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you will enter to storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video.